Good morning, students. Welcome to ALPHORES e-learning botany classes. Right. In last session, we discussed about dry dehiscent fruits. What's that? Dry dehiscent fruits. Now go for dry indehiscent fruits. I already told you dry fruits are of three types: dry dehiscent fruits, dry indehiscent fruits, schizocarpic fruits. We completed dry dehiscent fruits. Now we are going for dry indehiscent fruits. Now see here, sir, it is dry indehiscent fruit. It means the fruit is not going to dehisce even after maturity. Therefore, at maturity, the fruit dehisces, does not dehisces, sir, does not dehisces. Then how seeds are liberated? After disintegration of pericarp, seeds are liberated. What are liberated? After disintegration of pericarp, seeds are liberated. When? After disintegration of pericarp. Okay. Sir, these dry indehiscent fruits, they are also called as single-seeded dry fruits. Because if you take a dry indehiscent fruit, it contains a single seed. One fruit contains one seed. Okay. Therefore, dry indehiscent fruits. Which fruits, sir? Dry indehiscent fruits. Also called as single-seeded dry fruits. They are also called as single-seeded dry fruits. Single-seeded dry fruits. It means in the case of dry indehiscent fruits, just now I told, each fruit is with how many seeds, sir? Is with one seed. Each fruit is with how many seeds, sir? With one seed. Name itself indicates indehiscent. It means the fruit is not going to dehisce. Seeds are liberated after disintegration of pericarp. Yes or no? Right. Therefore, seeds are liberated. Seeds are liberated. Seeds are liberated after disintegration of pericarp. After what, sir? After disintegration. After disintegration. After disintegration of pericarp. After disintegration of what? Pericarp. What are liberated? Seeds are liberated. After disintegration of pericarp, what are liberated, sir? Seeds are liberated. Take fleshy fruits. In fleshy fruits also seeds are liberated after disintegration of what? Pericarp. Therefore, in what and what? In right, fleshy fruits. In fleshy fruits and dry indehiscent fruits. Dry indehiscent fruits. Seeds are liberated. Seeds are liberated. When seeds are liberated, sir? Seeds are liberated after disintegration of pericarp. After disintegration of what? Pericarp. What are liberated? Seeds are liberated. When? After disintegration of pericarp. In the case of what? Fleshy fruits and dry indehiscent fruits. Sir, these dry indehiscent fruits, they are small in size. What in size? Small in size. Therefore, they are small sized fruits. Dry indehiscent fruits, no, they are small sized fruits. Dry indehiscent fruits are small sized fruits. They are small sized fruits. Okay, we are discussing dry indehiscent fruits, right? Sir, dry indehiscent fruits are of 5 types. Dry indehiscent fruits are of how many types? 5 types. Okay, dry indehiscent fruits are of how many types? 5 types. What are they, sir? First one, number 1, Akins. Akins. Okay. Second one is Karyopsis. Karyopsis. Third one is a Cypsella. What is the third one, sir? Cypsella. Fourth one is a nut. What it is? Nut. And the fifth one is Samara. What it is? Samara. Okay. Therefore, dry indehiscent fruits are of 5 types. What are they? Akins, Karyopsis, Cypsella, nut, Samara. These are 5 types of dry indehiscent fruits. Right? Go for the first one. What it is, sir? Akins. 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 Okay. Now listen here. Sir, this Akins is a dry indehiscent fruit, no? It is developed from monocarpellary gynoecium. Developed from which gynoecium, sir? Monocarpellary gynoecium. Developed from monocarpellary gynoecium. Okay, developed from where, sir? Monocarpellary gynoecium. Developed from monocarpellary gynoecium. Therefore, development from monocarpellary gynoecium. Monocarpellary gynoecium. Therefore, Akins developed from where, sir? Monocarpellary gynoecium. Monocarpellary gynoecium with which ovary, sir? With a superior ovary. With which ovary, sir? Superior ovary. Superior ovary. Sir, if flowers, okay, if ovary is superior, the flower becomes what, sir? Hypogynous. What it becomes, sir? Hypogynous. Flower is hypogynous if ovary is superior. Yes or no? Right? Therefore, sir, Akins, they are developed from monocarpellary gynoecium with a superior ovary. Right? Sir, fruit means how many parts? 2 parts. What are they? Fruit, wall and seed. Yes or no? Fruit, wall and what, sir? Seed. Sir, generally a fruit with how many parts? 2 parts. What are they? First one is a fruit wall. Second one is a seeds. Okay. Sir, fruit wall is also called as what, sir? Pericarp. What is another name for fruit wall, sir? Pericarp. Now, seed contains 2 parts, no? What is the 2 parts of a seed, sir? First one is a seed coat. What it is, sir? Seed coat. Second one is embryo. What is the second one? Embryo. Okay. Sir, in case of Akins, in case of what, sir? Akins, this fruit wall is not fused with seed coat. It means fruit wall and seed coat both are free. They are not fused with one another. In case of what? Akins. Therefore, in Akins, what and what are free, sir? Fruit wall. Fruit wall. What is another name for fruit wall? Pericarp. Right. Fruit wall. That is pericarp. Right. And seed coat. What, sir? Seed coat. Are they fused? No, they are free. Are free. It means they are not fused. What and what are free, sir? Fruit wall and seed coat, they are not fused. They are free. Okay. This is about Akins. Now go for examples of Akins. Examples of Akins. Okay. First one is mirabilis. 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 Mirabilis jalapa. Mirabilis jalapa. Sir, the common name of this Mirabilis jalapa plant is 4 o'clock. It is commonly called as 4 o'clock plant. It's commonly called as what, sir? 4 o'clock plant. Second example is clematis. What is the second example, sir? Clematis. Therefore, Mirabilis jalapa and clematis. These two are examples for Akins, right? Now go for the second one. What it is? Karyopsis. What it is? Karyopsis. Karyopsis. Now listen here. Sir, this Karyopsis fruit commonly called as grain, Grain. Okay, right. Therefore, Karyopsis fruit. Which fruit? Karyopsis fruit. Commonly called as a what, sir? Grain. What is a common name of Karyopsis fruit, sir? Grain. This Karyopsis fruit is developed from monocarpellary gynecium with superior ovary. Karyopsis fruit developed from, okay, developed from where, sir? Developed from monocarpellary gynecium. Monocarpellary gynecium with what, sir? With superior ovary. Monocarpellary gynecium with a superior ovary. Sir, if ovary is superior, the flower becomes what, sir? Hypogynous. Flower is what, sir? Hypogynous. Flower becomes hypogynous. Yes or no? Right. Now listen here. Sir, in case of Karyopsis fruit, no? I already told with two parts. What and what? Fruit, wall and seed. Seed is with how many parts? Two parts. What are they? Seed coat and embryo. Yes or no? Right. Sir, in case of Karyopsis fruit, this fruit wall and seed coat are fused. What and what are fused, sir? Fruit wall and seed coat are fused. We cannot separate these two from one another. Cannot be separated. What and what cannot be separated? Fruit wall and seed coat cannot be separated as they gets fused. Okay, therefore what and what are fused here, sir? Right. Fruit wall. Wall. What is another name for fruit wall, sir? Pericarp. Right. Pericarp. Right. Fruit wall and what? Seed coat are fused. They are fused. Okay, and cannot be separated. Cannot be separated. Okay, what cannot be separated, sir? This fruit wall and seed coat, they cannot be separated as they get fused. Okay, sir, we are discussing Karyopsis, right? Now go for examples of Karyopsis. Examples of Karyopsis: rice, wheat, maize. What, sir? Rice, wheat, maize. Okay, sir, these three comes under which family, sir? Poaceae family. Which family, sir? Poaceae family. What is another name for Poaceae family? Graminae family or Graminaceae family. Graminae family or Graminaceae family. Nothing but grass family. I told number of times. Grass family. Okay. Sir, Poaceae family means, is it dicot or monocot, sir? It is monocot. It's monocot. Already, sir? Monocot. Sir, in the case of this rice, wheat and maize, what is the edible part, sir? Endosperm is edible. In rice, wheat, maize, what is edible? Endosperm is edible. Endosperm is edible. Endosperm is edible. Every day, afternoon and night, we are taking rice. Yes or no? What we are eating? Rice? No, that is nothing but endosperm. Okay, white, what we are eating as rice, that is nothing but what, sir? Endosperm. Therefore, in case of rice, wheat and maize, what is edible? Endosperm is edible. Sir, what is the ploidy of endosperm? I already told. Sir, endosperm ploidy is triploid. What is the ploidy of endosperm, sir? Triploid. The ploidy of endosperm is a triploid. Sir, this endosperm is present inside the seed. Yes or no? Where endosperm is present, sir? Inside the seed. Endosperm present 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 inside the seed. Sir, rice, Oryza sativa. Wheat, Triticum vulgare. Triticum vulgare. Maize, Ziamase. Rice scientific name Oryza sativa. Wheat scientific name Triticum vulgare. Triticum vulgare. Right. Maize scientific name is what, sir? Ziamase. Ziamase. Okay. Right. We are discussing Karyopsis, right? Just now I told present in Poaceae family. Right. Rice, wheat and maize. Dicots are monocots. Monocots. It means which seed here? Monocot seed. In monocot seed, endosperm occupies major part. In case of monocot seeds, endosperm occupies major part. This total, what you are seeing here, okay, this is nothing but endosperm. What it is, sir? It is a endosperm. This is endosperm. Sir, in this endosperm, at one end, you are going to see a small cavity. See here. In this cavity, embryo is present. In this cavity, what is present, sir? Embryo is present. What is present, sir? Embryo is present. Embryo is present. Okay. Sir, this total, this is endosperm. Okay, what is this one, sir? This is embryo. Sir, embryo means two parts, no? This is embryonal axis. What it is? Embryonal axis. Embryonal axis. Sir, monocot seeds, no, only one cotyledon is present. This is the cotyledon. Only one cotyledon is present. In the case of monocot seeds, this cotyledon is called as a scutellum. What it is called as, sir? Scutellum. Scutellum. Okay. In case of monocots, how many cotyledons? One cotyledon. Monocots, one cotyledon. Sir, that cotyledon of monocots is called as what, sir? Scutellum. What it is called as, sir? Scutellum. Scutellum. Okay, now you see here. Sir, this endosperm is separated from embryo. Endosperm is separated from embryo by a protein-rich layer called as a alluron layer. What is this protein-rich layer called as a alluron layer? It is separating the endosperm from embryo. Is it okay? Right? Therefore, what we discussed now, I am writing the same statements. In monocot seeds, in which seeds, sir? In monocot seeds, endosperm occupies major part. What occupies major part? Endosperm occupies a major part. Endosperm occupies major part. Okay, right? To one end of what, sir? Endosperm. To one end of endosperm, embryo is present. Embryo is present in a cavity or groove. Yes or no? Right. Embryo is present in a cavity or groove to one end of endosperm. Yes or no? Right. Therefore, embryo is present inside the cavity at one end of the endosperm. Okay. Sir, this endosperm and embryo, they are separated by a protein-rich layer, I told. What it is? Alluron layer. Right. Therefore, endosperm separated. Endosperm separated from embryo. Endosperm separated from embryo by a protein layer. By a protein layer called as what? Called as a alluron layer. Alluron layer. Sir, endosperm is triploid, no? 3N. Therefore, automatically this alluron layer will be also triploid. This Alluron layer is haploid or diploid or triploid, sir? It's triploid. What it is, sir? Triploid. I already told in case of monocot seeds only one cotyledon is present. That cotyledon is called as scutellum. What it is called as scutellum, right? Go for the third one. What it is? Cypsella. Sir, this cypsella is developed from bicarpellary unilocular gynoecium with inferior ovary. Developed from bicarpellary unilocular gynoecium with which ovary, sir? Inferior ovary. Okay, bicarpellary unilocular gynoecium with inferior ovary. What it is, sir? Cypsella. Sir, inferior ovary means which type of flower, sir? Epigynous, right? Which flower it is? Epigynous. It's epigynous flower, right? Now listen here, we are discussing cypsella, right? Sir, cypsella is a dry indehiscent fruit, no sir? Cypsella is a dry indehiscent fruit, right? Sir, this cypsella fruit is associated with persistent calyx. That persistent calyx is called as pappus or pappus. Okay, sir, what is this one, sir? This is a cypsella fruit. Sir, cypsella is a dry indehiscent fruit. Should contain how many seeds? One seed, because dry indehiscent fruits are with one seed. Yes or no? Right. Therefore, this is cypsella fruit associated with what, sir? Persistent calyx called as a pappus. Sir, this pappus helps in dispersal of cypsella fruit from one place to another place through wind. What are dispersed? Cypsella fruits are dispersed with the help of what? Pappus. Okay, therefore cypsella. What is the fruit name? Cypsella fruit. Cypsella fruit is associated. Cypsella fruit is associated with what, sir? Persistent calyx. Associated with a persistent calyx called as what is that persistent calyx called as, sir? Pappus. Okay, sir, this pappus or pappus helps in cypsella fruit dispersal. It helps in cypsella fruit dispersal through air, nothing but wind. This mechanism of cypsella fruit dispersal by pappus is called parachute mechanism. What it is called as, sir? It is called as parachute mechanism. Now go for example for cypsella. Sir, cypsella fruit example I am writing Asteraceae family. Which family, sir? Asteraceae family. Its previous name is Compositae family. What is its previous name, sir? Compositae is the previous name of Asteraceae family. For Asteraceae I am writing examples. First one is a sunflower and second one is a tridox. Sir, sunflower, what is the genus word for sunflower, sir? Helianthus. In a scientific name, genus word and species word will be, I am writing the genus word of sunflower. What it is, sir? Helianthus. Helianthus is the genus word of sunflower. Okay, therefore in cypsella, okay, cypsella fruit is present in Asteraceae family. Asteraceae family previous name is Compositae. Asteraceae example sunflower and tridox, right? Go for the fourth one. What it is? Nut. Number 4, nut. Now listen. Sir, this nut is developed from okay, bicarpellary or multicarpellary gynoecium. What sir? Bicarpellary or multicarpellary. Bicarpellary or multicarpellary gynoecium. Bicarpellary or multicarpellary gynoecium with superior ovary. With which ovary, sir? Superior ovary. Sir, superior ovary, which flower? Hypogynous. Yes or no? What it is? Hypogynous. Hypogynous. Now listen the statements. We are discussing nut developed from bicarpellary or multicarpellary gynoecium with a superior ovary. Right. Sir, what are the examples for nut, sir? I am writing examples for nut. Examples for nut. First one is anacardium. Anacardium occidentalis. Anacardium occidentalis or Anacardium occidentalis. What is the common name, sir? Cashew nut. What is the common name of Anacardium occidentalis, sir? Cashew nut. Anacardiaceae family. Yes or no? We already discussed about this plant in false fruits. Yes or no? Sir, this Anacardium occidentalis, this is a diagram. See? In Anacardium occidentalis, this is the true fruit. What is the name of this true fruit, sir? The name of this true fruit is nut. See, this is nut. How this nut is, sir? It is a what shape? Kidney shape or bean shape. How many seeds are present? One seed. That seed is a what shape, sir? It is also what shape? Kidney shape or bean shape. Okay. Therefore, in case of Anacardium occidentalis, write true fruit. What, sir? True fruit is a nut. Yes or no? Sir, true fruit associated with false fruit. See the diagram once. Associated with what, sir? False fruit. Associated with false fruit. Okay, right. Sir, this nut is what shape, sir? Kidney shape. It is kidney shape. Yes or no? Right? Sir, in Anacardium occidentalis nut with how many seeds? Nut with one seed. What is the shape of that seed, sir? It is kidney shape or bean shape. Okay. Sir, in seed what is edible, sir? Cotyledons. How many cotyledons? It's a dicot. No. Therefore, will be two cotyledons. Yes or no? Right. Therefore, in Anacardium occidentalis, which part of true fruit is edible, sir? Which part of true fruit is edible? Two cotyledons. Therefore, two cotyledons of what, sir? True fruit. Two cotyledons of true fruit is edible. Is edible. Okay, I am speaking about true fruit. In true fruit, which part is edible means cotyledons. How many cotyledons? Two cotyledons. Okay, this is the first example for nut. Right. Now go for the second example for nut. Second example. Litchi. What is the second example for nut, sir? Litchi. Sir, in case of litchi, aril is edible. What is edible, sir? Aril is edible. Sir, this aril means what? Outgrowth of a seed. Aril means nothing but what, sir? It is outgrowth of a seed. It is outgrowth of a seed. Okay. We will discuss this aril, right, in the next coming chapters in detail. Okay. Just to remember, in litchi, right, sir, in litchi, aril is present and this aril is edible. What is edible in litchi? Aril is edible. Aril means outgrowth of a seed. Right? Go for the last one. What is Samara, right? Sir, this Samara, it is developed from bicarpellary or tricarpellary gynoecium with superior ovary. Developed from where, sir? It is developed from bicarpellary. It is developed from bicarpellary or tricarpellary. Bicarpellary or tricarpellary gynoecium with which ovary, sir? Superior ovary. With superior ovary. Superior ovary means which type of flower, sir? Hypogynous flower. Superior ovary. Which flower? Hypogynous flower. Hypogynous flower. Therefore, Samara developed from bicarpellary or tricarpellary gynoecium with superior ovary. What is the speciality of Samara means? Sir, Samara, fruit, no? Fruit means two parts, no? Pericarp and seed. We know that it should be with one seed, because it is a dry indehiscent fruit with one seed. What about pericarp? This pericarp is highly extended and forms wing-like structures. What like structures? Wing-like structures. These are wings. Okay. What is this one, sir? Seed. Therefore, pericarp is highly extended and forms what, sir? Wings. It means Samara is a fruit with wings. So, it is a winged fruit. Which fruit it is? Winged fruit. It means fruit with wings. Okay, right? Therefore, pericarp highly extended. Pericarp highly extended. Highly extended and forms what, sir? And forms wings. Therefore, Samara is a winged fruit. So, Samara is a which fruit, sir? It's a winged fruit. Samara is a winged fruit. Okay. Sir, what is the use of these wings, sir? With the help of these wings, the fruit is dispersed from one place to another place through wind. Okay. It means this wings helps in fruit dispersal through wind. Wings helps in what? Helps in fruit dispersal. Samara fruit dispersal through what? Through wind or through air. Through wind or through air. Okay. Go for examples of Samara. Go for examples of Samara. Holoptilia. What is the first example? Holoptilia. Holoptilia. Second one is Diascorea. What and what, sir? Holoptilia and Diascorea. These two are examples for Samara. These are two examples of Samara. Now, listen this statement. Shorea. Sir, in this Shorea plant, wings are developed from calyx. Okay. Sir, in Shorea, wings developed. Wings developed from calyx. Generally, wings should develop from pericarp. But here the wings are developed from what, sir? Calyx. Wings developed from calyx. Sir, in case of Shorea, this Samara fruit is called as samaroid. Therefore, in Shorea, Samara fruit. In Shorea, Samara fruit is called samaroid. Therefore, Samara fruit of Shorea is called samaroid. Okay. With this, we completed dry indehiscent fruits. In the next session, we will discuss about schizocarpic fruits. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and keep on learning through ALPHORES e-learning. Thank you.